In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe from emails in Gmail. If your inbox keeps filling up with newsletters and promotions you no longer read, this quick method will help you clean things up without digging through each message one by one. Start by opening Gmail so you're looking at your inbox. At the very top, you'll see the search bar. Click into it and type the word unsubscribe, then press enter. This keyword works because most promotional and newsletter emails include an unsubscribe option in the message, and Gmail can surface many of those messages when you search for that term. You'll now see a list of emails you're likely subscribed to. Browse through the results and pick a sender you don't want to hear from anymore. Take a second to scan the subject line and sender name so you're sure this is a newsletter or promotional email you no longer need. When you've found one, move your mouse over that email in the list. As you hover, a set of actions appears on the right side of the row. Among those options, you should see an unsubscribe button. If your cursor is already there, pause for a moment and look to the far right of that message line. It can be easy to miss if you move quickly. Click unsubscribe. Gmail will show a brief confirmation prompt asking you to confirm that you really want to stop receiving emails from this sender. Confirm the action. That's it. Gmail will send the request, and in most cases, the sender will remove you from their mailing list. It may take a day or two for the change to take effect, and you might see one last message come through if it was already on its way, but you should notice fewer emails from that sender going forward. Repeat the same process for any other senders you want to remove. Keep using the unsubscribe search results as your checklist, hovering over each email, clicking unsubscribe on the right, and confirming. Aim to focus on newsletters, promotions, and updates you genuinely don't read. This keeps your inbox focused on what matters and saves you time in the long run. A quick note for peace of mind. Using Gmail's built-in unsubscribe button is a safe and straightforward way to stop unwanted mail, because it relies on Gmail's own tools rather than clicking links inside the email body. And that's all you need. Simple, effective, and done right inside your inbox.